The Tesla Model S has been the benchmark for electric sedans for over a decade, and now, in 2025, Tesla has taken it to a whole new level. More power, more range, and cutting-edge technology. This is the future of luxury EVs. Welcome to Auto World, and today we're diving into everything you need to know about the brand new 2025 Tesla Model S. Tesla has refined the Model S with subtle but impactful design changes. The 2025 version features sleeker LED headlights, an updated front bumper for better aerodynamics, and a more aggressive stance. The flush door handles and seamless body lines remain, ensuring it looks just as futuristic as it performs. Under the hood, or should we say, on the floor, Tesla has pushed the boundaries of EV performance. The base Model S now delivers 800 horsepower, while the Plaid Plus variant takes it even further with a mind-blowing 1150 horsepower. And guess what? The 0-60 mph time is now just 1.8 seconds, making it one of the quickest cars on the planet. Tesla has also introduced a next-gen structural battery pack, increasing energy density while improving efficiency. That means more range, less charging time, and better overall performance. Worried about range? The 2025 Model S has you covered, with an EPA estimated range of 450 miles on a single charge. Long road trips are easier than ever, and thanks to Tesla's latest supercharger V4 technology, you can add up to 200 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Inside, the 2025 Model S is a masterpiece of modern minimalism. The massive 17-inch touchscreen now features even faster processing, improved haptic feedback, and a customizable UI. The yoke-style steering wheel remains an option, but Tesla has reintroduced a traditional steering wheel for those who prefer a classic feel. The rear passengers also get a brand new entertainment system, complete with gaming compatibility and streaming services. Whether you're the driver or a passenger, Tesla ensures that the Model S delivers an unparalleled tech experience. Tesla's full self-driving FSD package is more advanced than ever, with autonomous city driving, smart summon, and real-time decision-making. While full autonomy is still awaiting regulatory approval, Tesla continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI-driven driving. So, how much does all this cutting-edge technology cost? The base 2025 Tesla Model S starts at around $89,990, while the high-performance Plaid Plus version crosses the $130,000 mark. Deliveries are expected to begin in mid-2025, and Tesla has already started taking reservations. The 2025 Tesla Model S is proof that electric cars are the future of performance, luxury, and innovation. With its incredible speed, extended range, and groundbreaking technology, Tesla continues to lead the EV revolution. What do you think about the new Model S? Is it the best electric sedan on the market? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing automotive content. This is Auto World, and we'll see you in the next video.